In this case, I'm entering a 2004 Ford F250 Super Duty Lariet, which is the model number. And this vehicle has the 6.0 liter turbocharged diesel engine. And I want to look and see if we have any information. This one has an automatic transmission. I want to look to see if we have any information in this case on a misfire. So once again, I'm going to use direct hit technician. I want to go down here to diagnostic information. I'm going to go to direct hit technician. And in this case, I'm going to type in simply the symptom that I have occurring. I could type in a code here. I could have typed in a system, but I'm talking about a symptom now. And I hit enter. Once again, I'm going to expand my search just a little bit, the exact vehicle plus or minus 2 years. And once again, I have hotline archives available, posted fixes or TSBs. Let's take a look at a posted fix this time. Okay? In this case, we see 2005 F250, water, excessive white smoke out of the tailpipe. And they found that they had a plugged up exhaust cooler. Okay? Or ruptured exhaust cooler in this case. I can scroll down through this list and once again look at what other technicians, just like yourself, are finding wrong with these vehicles. Okay? I can also back up and I can go into hotline archives and I can look to see, do I have an actual physical hotline archive that matches our situation. And if you look right here, first hotline archive with a confirmed fix is misfires on a cold engine. Once again, I can open up that hotline archive, widen it out a little bit to make it easy to see, and there's all my test procedures and everything I need to fix that car right at my fingertips.